Ito yung presyo namin, 600 per hour kasama na po yung constructor. Ngayon ang pinaka-the best.
Okay.
Yung tubig po natin hindi malamig. Pag maulan,
Oo nga, mainit nga. Yun nga naman.
kung mag-serve sila, may mga buta-buta sa kami.
Okay, sige po. Ano yun lang namin, titingnan lang namin, tapos babalik kami dito. Ano yung tuloy yung mga kasama namin.
Serve po ma'am, serve station. Tuton yung pangalan ko ma'am.
Sige po.
Ito hard. Ito hard.
Thank you po.
Pwede po yung bata mag-serve din, pero may cashier lang. Kailangan may cashier kasi. Kahit hindi marunong lumangoy, yung surfing spot natin sa beginner, pwede kasi hanggang dito lang.
Tubig, okay.
Sige pa. Kaya tayo ng photographer para
Sige. Sige po kaya. Thank you. Thank you po. Sige po, thank you po.
Tapos yung kunin natin yung katabi, babae. Joke lang.
Emotion.
Bago na isip na. Personal, parang ang boring sa ano.
Boring siya dati, ngayon maganda na. Talagang nag-iba na.
So ibig sabihin walang-wala to lahat?
Hindi, meron. Walang ganyan dito. Walang entrance, walang arka.
Ito lang nakikita ko eh.
Ha?
Just need to park somewhere there.
Anyways, private as well. I saw that Toti said that there is, but it's like a hotel. So you just pasok and then connect here. You know, Ipin is very, like, everything is like wala space to make a alley, you know. Dala, Thomas, dala.
Ayaw na.
Huh? Yeah, we've been. Everything is strange, you know. Dala, we check dito. Yeah, we walk there. No, it's the entrance is here, but we walk. We can swim dito. Huh? Yeah, I have. Huh? Yeah. Maganda waves. Ha? Saan? Oh, taho. Daddy, want to try?
What?
Taho. You don't like?
I don't like that.
You don't like? Gusto mo taho, bebe? Taho, this one. Yan. Gusto mo taho. Ayaw nyo? Ayaw nila kuya. So, ayaw nila. Ma, gusto mo taho? I want. Ah, bumalik.
Oh, it's a shark. Shark fin.
Shark's fin.
It's a shark. It's a shark fin.
Ew.
Tata is practicing Visayan.
Yeah. No, Tata is...
He wants to practice Visayan language.
He's Visayan, I know it. Okay, picture. Dana, swing ikaw with Toti. Daddy, can you help him? Thomas. Mag-surf ako, parang gusto ko. Ha? Gusto ko mag-surf.
Ano ba yun? Tulay pa din yun?
Hindi na, yun na yung tulay.
Ay, dito lang yung mga paliguan. Dito lang. Saan?
Dito lang sa babaw.
Paano ba ito?
Ha? Hindi, baktas lang dyan. Go mag-surf.
And we buy one new one and wow, this is so what was the
Gusto kayo try?
problem?
Dali, Thomas! Ba't hindi gumagano si Thomas?
Whee! Say whee! No. Tickled, yeah? No, nakikiliti siya. Tickled! Feel tickled?
Nalaglag?
Pag nalaglag, hindi ka nga.
Wait, okay, I should remove my sister's money, yeah?
Yeah, just drop it. Just drop it. Come on. Dana. No! No! Just drop your sleeper. Can't jump like that. You cannot drop like...
You don't jump off the swing.
Okay. Doon, Daddy, ah. Huh?
Oh, Diablo's good.
Can I try?
Huh?
Can I try?
What?
And you come with me just to make a video?
You can try. It's I think 100 pesos per hour or something like that.
No, you said 600 for 1 hour, including the training.
I thought it was a monthly.
Huh? I don't know. It's like looks nice. Oh, looks cool.
Yeah, you can do it, man. I'm not gonna do it. I'm
But
gonna mess around with my float.
yeah, I mean like you can stand there and make a video for me.
I'll mess around. It's okay. That's not bad. That's okay.
Dana,
So Tuti can swim with Tatay
Yeah.
over here
Uh-huh.
if Tatay wants.
yeah, they're in the stone though.
Yung Barbie. Ayaw. Fin and fish.
cheese bread.
Hindi yung coconut.
Ay,
Eto, coconut bread. Ay, yung pandigo. Wala, wala. That's what I'm asking.
Sorry.
hopya.
You want to try this hopya?
Ito yung crinkles mo, Beo.
Ito chocolate.
I don't know. Ano to, te? Cinnamon? Yeah, cinnamon. This one, putok. Putok ba to? Putok.
Ito ba tayo? Putok.
May pera for 2 what do you want?
Yeah, you can try. I don't really
Spanish
want.
bread yan. Spanish bread po, ate.
Spanish bread. You want to try? And then,
Okay, have the one at the...
mamon to, no? Okay. Si mama gusto ng mamon beef.
Do you like apple?
Yeah, this one, mamon.
Mama likes this.
Mama likes this. Dalawa, kunin na natin dalawa. Kunin na namin to dalawa. Yan.
Ito masarap din to, yun sa mga.
Gusto mo?
Ah, masarap ito. Dalawa please. Looks masarap.
Sigurado ka pag get in.
Masarap.
Looks masarap. Are you sure? Okay.
masarap.
Yeah, Toti said it's masarap. Yeah.
Iris masarap.
Okay, magkano? 55. I don't have change.
Ayan.
Ay!
Ayan.
Yeah, okay.
Dahan-dahan.
Yan. That one is 1 peso.
Gold coin.
Salamat. Okay, let's go na. I want to go home.
Put in my bag.
Ate, pag namatay kami,
Para may record kami ate na ikaw nagbigay sa amin na.
Is that?
Mamaya
Masarap po yan.
Is that?
Wala na.
Ang dami yung ano.
Tama na yan,
Okay,
tama na
ate,
yan.
sayang yung ano mo.
Sayang yung soup. Malmal pa man din.
Oh, cheese.
Wag na ate.
This cheese is good.
Wag na.
Spicy.
Is masarap.
Sarap.
Not really. Yeah, it's spicy.
Sarap talaga na ito.
Yeah, your
May
joke.
chicharon kayo?
Wala po, sir.
Ay, masarap to sa charon.
Opo, masarap po. Tsaka sa lechon.
Oo.
Oh, lechon.
Oh, lechon.
Asan na lechon?
Wala.
Wala. Iiyak ako.